our alliance will be called, the all people have agreed to have one name for the alliance. Earlier, we worked with UPA. Now, with all 26 parties, a new name is given, that is Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. That is INDIL. That is INDIL. And this is Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. So everybody agreed for this, and unanimously this name is given, and everybody is happy with this name. So I thank you very much them, because I'm the host state, and it is a great achievement for us that all 26 parties together, they solved many problems of the country. This is second. And third is 11-member coordination committee will be set up. That we will decide shortly, and we are going to meet again in Maharashtra, Mumbai. There we will discuss the names of the coordinators, and 11-member name will be announced there.